Welcome guys, welcome.
Welcome
To the day in the life with Alton, Shan and Tori. 8 years today are going normal. So we kinda
change it up a bit.
It's a lot, not a bit. This is a lot. This
Today
Tori.
we're not normal. Today we're
Right.
extra.
Today we're extra.
So Tori in a week and Shan in a week and not normal.
So go on extra
Yeah,
today.
you want to fix the
Always want to fix.
We tell them earlier and I said we're
But
going to come with something now.
yeah, so I don't know normal idea. We have a picnic.
Mm-hmm.
We are going do some things and
For the
all
most
the vibes.
part, we're going normal.
For the most part, we are going normal, yeah. So, Shan and Tori there, and we're not normal. Let me not want, no, we should have a different name, because different character.
And I was thinking it. We're no longer Shan and Tori right here.
Right, this is.
Call me TT.
Gosh, I'm gonna go with a name like Hennessy.
Oh!
Hennessy? Alright, so what my name? What? Derek.
Derek.
He wants to be a Derek. Alright.
Alright, so, yeah.
Nice.
Call me Derek in that episode there, isn't it? So,
Cool.
you know, we there going normal.
I said
today.
Derek, Henny, and TT
Yeah.
there.
Yeah, so.
Alright.
A day in the life. So as Marvin said, big up to everybody that has been supporting the movement.
Enough thanks.
Right? So big up everybody.
Big up.
Big up Chin.
Big up Chin. Chin
Right,
make
so
this
Chin.
possible today.
Big up
Right.
Chin and
Right, that one,
Kadeen.
Yeah, so
Kadeen? Kadeen.
Big up all of them. Big up Will.
Willie
Will
Enterprise.
Enterprise.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Well, Enterprise.
Yeah, so we there we are going
Big
normal.
up Simone.
Mhm.
Big up everybody.
Big up Ashley.
Yeah, big up Phil family.
Ashley, I can't remember my first name.
Yeah, so big up everybody on the live. You know, a day in the live with Alton, Shan and Tori, 8 years an idea. So we there we are going normal to the people. Just remember to subscribe, like and share on the company live. And remember the treat next week for the kids. We're not asking no money because some people probably make it seem like every time I come on the live we are asking money and them something, but that's not it. So we need to clear that up. We're not here for no money thing. This is not a money making thing. We're just here. So who wants to support can support same way. It's not a money thing. We understand, but respect to everybody has been supporting over the past couple months. And I do the right thing. I do it out of them heart. So who can do it, do it. who can do it, I just so you go, we understand same way, I just so you go, it's just love. Alright, so thank you guys for all the support with their 2000 out there now. So thank you no. So you know, so we want to go 100k quick and fast. So help us get there. You know we are going normal, so now come out and now one more
Yeah,
place.
we'll find a shade.
So we still have to find a shade car. I don't know normal we can't swing in the sun.
Yeah,
So now we
yes, some shades.
So yeah, we are going normal in idea. Still people.
There's a far still.
No, right there.
Here. Just up on the hillside?
It kind of still nice sun, but it's less sun.
On the hillside?
Yeah, this closest hillside right there.
Alright, we can go over there.
Yeah,
Open
go
up.
go check it out and feel how it feels.
Alright, we find a garbage over there still. On that tree. I have to look what's next to you know.
Oh shit, especially up in the trees.
Mm-hmm. And in lane one you have
The winner.
and in lane 3.
The
The
killer.
loser.
Alright, so ready?
Alright. Set. Go. I saw this. That was the winner. We're gonna go straight over here. I have to curve it.
Made it win before. Alright, come
Winner.
Atheist, welcome. There we are going normal in idea. And we have all the vibes in idea. So, we are going normal idea. So, me and Tori, but not Tori today. Oh, Shan.
Wait. I couldn't manage the heat, man. I'm not used to them.
It's pretty hot, but
Yeah, but this is not Tori.
only
guess
the
it's
strong
viewer.
survive.
Fox, you have it on.
Soon drag it off again.
So yeah, welcome guys. Today is just another normal day in the life.
Yeah.
Alton, Shan and Tori. So you know. So how are you on an idea? We have all the vibes.
Yeah, we're gonna have a drink and loosen up. And what happened?
Until we get a drink.
So you know. Normal.
Oh my gosh. Next switch between Shan and Henny. I said, I know nothing, nah, man.
Like she's healthy.
Oh. Isn't she? Not normal.
And then we're gonna pop something and then run.
So yes.
Ooh!
I don't know what that for, but somebody needs some.
Cheers.
What the hell?
I don't know for cheers.
Cheers.
Tastes nice by itself too. But okay,
So guys, remember to subscribe and follow on the live. You understand? They are going normal idea.
When the mosquito them.
And that mess I don't want to go with. I
Yeah.
freestyle it.
I mean, mosquito them so must just look at them. I did that.
Let me take something out of my hand again. The mosquito are terrible.
Them all the things in our hand.
I part with them bite with.
Okay, so to the end of the life. When the player still enough. How can we getting boring, guys?
So, I'll come up with it.
Banana data on my phone.
Hello.
What, right?
No, I don't data phone.
No,
So,
just
me
that.
go for your phone. Okay.
But the way you fling it too.
So yeah. So that's going today. So every how we are doing? Alright, first let us big up Chin. And son Chin, big up yourself. Aidan over there in the UK. Big up Navlet Reed over there in Florida. Bill Brown. Will Enterprise, pick up yourself, pick up everybody who is supporting the movement and supporting Just Love over here. Understand? Now say Ants Love Rum. Like, I want to keep it. So, hold on. Tell them about the scenes them, not the movie. Let's get down to business. Guys,
You want to
ATS.
talk each scene,
Yeah.
scene by scene.
May I shoot?
Seen them. So, you want Shan go first since Shan in part 1?
Shanna look for something.
Alright, so
When
we're
in
going to
part
part 2 then. Part 1, barely, because there was someone get married. That's all.
We barely in there.
No, it's wrong barely. So part 2 now. Part 1, oh, we have something to talk about part 1. So for those watching, let's get down to business. How it start, well, how me and Alton's story start. And that time I beginning of part 1, you see the both of us going to the beach. Looking all lovey-dovey in at the beach and all that. So that I represent when we relationship did in a good place. So we did good and yeah, we got beach, we make loving at the beach and all that. And then yeah, that's when I felt like in the next scene further down, like more get married and more out of Alton because money I make up. And me don't want to let go of this money, so me introduce marriage into this scene now. But Alton not too ready for that yet. So plus money is still there on his mind. So that's a part 1.
Tell them about the kissing scene in the beach. Remember we kiss until my glass the on my forehead and I look feet?
That depend day in the life. They have that scene depend one day in the life them. But yeah, we did kissing at the beach and we decided say alright, I gotta lift off him glasses. I was just there do one thing. We said alright, I gotta be wild and move him glasses. So him know, I don't know what you're trying to, but the glasses just drop back on his face same time. But him feel like say, oh shit, me take off his glasses or something.
You think you drop in the water?
My man stopped completely and I look for his glasses when they dip on his face.
No, we don't stop. I
Richard laugh, yeah,
Laugh
I make
out.
we stop film.
I make this. And then they are going good, you know. There's people who could have seen it a little bit longer. Funny
Yeah.
movie. But
Yeah, because I laughed and cut the scene there. I'm terrible.
but it was good.
So part 2 now.
And then a little accident with it. Tell him.
Alton and I are single people.
Right.
Isn't that right?
So, you know, we there we are going normal. We are good actors and actresses. So, we're professional. So,
Yeah.
The ladies don't bother get jealous of Alton and get jealous of me and Alton. Alton's still there too now.
so you're not normal boy. You understand? And, Shan, you can't believe say, they set me up.
So I set you up?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, man. Pay back to what going in a dangerous, you know?
So I pay back, still I pay back, and I get pay back, and I pay back it.
No. You don't get paid back enough.
Alright, Shan.
All these games are boring.
Would you rather?
Would you rather?
Oh, that's it.
Would you rather is a nice game. It's like
just get
you give
two
two
options.
options and you have to pick one of them, but two options are terrible. For example, would you rather?
No, have to be terrible. Would you rather drink brown rum or clear
white
rum?
rum.
Yeah, white rum. You know?
And you
But
just
then-
answer?
Yeah, you have to pick one. So you
Would
just
you
pick one.
rather
But then it can be
spend?
terrible.
Would you rather spend 10 years in prison or lick a madman's stove?
Yeah. You know, some
Homeless
shit like
man's
that.
stove.
Some crazy shit like that. 10 years in prison or just one lick from a madman
Clean.
too. Eh?
He's not clean. He's homeless. He's not wearing shoes.
No,
And he
miss.
said, keep it clean.
No, oh, yeah.
He's not clean?
Yeah, clean.
Which would you rather?
If we would have rather,
Which would you rather?
yo, I don't like jail, you know. I'll be kissing madman too.
And then just kiss the lick.
Look at just one lick for you. With by 5 years later, you'd be like, Bumba.
You're mad by next day, you'll wash out the mouth by the time you do that. You must good. You don't go to jail for 10 years. You must be mad.
I lick it too.
Then you go find out you get some lifetime disease from this month.
No, you can't.
You're gonna just spend
No,
10
no.
years.
Yes,
No,
no,
you-
10 years.
No, you're twist up in there.
Ah,
now.
you can't ask me.
No,
Yeah,
you're
we
twist up.
can see you, not true.
No, she had twist up. Just make it just be one straight thing. No? If would you rather lick the
God.
madman toe or go to jail?
Me lick
It's
it.
either you lick the madman toe or you go to jail.
You lick it
Don't
too?
come say if you lick the madman toe, you might go
But it's
to jail
a
and by the
God
time you go
at
in
the
there one time you don't come back.
It just,
As
as
a
an
reach.
exhaust, but it killable.
Oh my god.
Oh, yes. Blick me. Blick me.
Somebody else.
So, me not going to jail. So,
No, somebody else give away.
would you rather how are you play a game and you still
Yeah, just think about some crazy thing. How may I think too? Whatever it is.
would you rather drink dirty water or make love to your sister? Like kiss her. Suck out tongue.
Alright, that's a good one.
I'd rather kiss my sister.
Suck out your tongue.
Just to drink dirty water. Where they go on? Where they what?
I don't know what me I get from the dirty water, but
What the fuck?
you know it's this is one.
You know where your sister motor going with?
I don't know about it.
You say something like that.
Nah, so dirty the water is coming. Just imagine that the water have some disease like the madman too.
Trust your man, kiss your sister. Oh
Ah.
my God.
So what you do? You're gonna drink the dirty water?
I try to drink the dirty
So
water.
we're drinking dirty water and give Chrissy a kiss.
Pick me up some
Chrissy,
my
I
sister
hear.
can still.
That's just...
Well, you know, Tori, I gonna have some disease.
No, I'm not serious, man. Just imagine so nice, dark, clear.
Some
so
nice
clear,
dark dirty water.
clear. Oh,
But if
God.
water not clear like this, me don't want to drink.
Some nice, clear, dirty water.
Mm.
Tori, your turn.
Yeah, I've been thinking about it, yes. Alright. So, would you rather jump off a building pretty high? Pretty high. Pretty high. Or jump off a building.
Something I use it for.
Or
Because something else.
Yeah.
Would you rather jump off a building?
Or
how
tall is the building?
you're pretty tall, you probably broke your
You
foot.
will hide.
Yeah, you cannot
How
go.
many stories up? 10?
Yeah, but that's the thing. You're not dead, but you will broke your foot.
Yeah, I did after 10 stories up.
It's just a height. When now make you dead, that's why you don't need to ask me how much. You tell you how much it is. You're not dead, but you probably broke your foot. Or you go dash somebody, dash one paralyzed somebody out of them wheelchair.
And see if you wheelchair.
Yeah, we'll just left them there.
No, that's a
What you would do? Jump off a building and risk breaking your foot? Or you dash somebody out of them wheelchair? Yeah, you know, them, you just left them there. Obviously they can't move.
There's somebody out there wheelchair.
Yeah, that's what
You can't pick him up now.
No, you know what? Add no twist up. Yeah, left him there. You're leaving
And he
him there,
doesn't have another
stranded.
wheelchair.
And him not no phone pan him.
Yeah.
And he not know if he
A
get
good,
no
a
water.
good Samaritan will
Alright,
come
alright,
and
alright,
find
alright.
him.
Would you rather have more time or more money?
More time equals more
Yeah.
money.
More time.
Some
equals
would
more money.
rather have more time.
More time.
More time. Or you have more time.
So
more
if I
time.
knew what I knew, but me take 10 years off of my age, that would be wonderful.
Alright. Would you rather go into the past and meet your ancestors or go into the future and meet your great grandchildren?
Wait, say that again. Would
Would
I
you
rather
rather
go
go into the
Would
past?
you rather go into the past and meet your ancestors, I mean your old people them,
We're dead.
or
Go in the
go in the future
and
and
meet your
meet your great
grandkids.
grandchildren?
So it's either you're going to meet your descendants or your
great-grandchildren.
ascendants.
I would like to meet my ancestors. I would like to know. Hey, who are you? Where am I from?
Yeah, but I don't have to
Because I
meet
don't
my
really
great
know where I'm
ancestors them before they come to Jamaica. You know them, one of them from Africa. But I want to meet there one day. And at the same time, I still want to meet my grandchildren.
I believe I'm going to meet my grandkids.
At the same time, I want to meet the descendants, yes, but there's enough more to learn from back
I'm
then.
going to feel like I'm going to meet the future one day. So,
Great grand, no, just like how them one where you want to meet
and
them,
so
you are going dead by the time them one that far. Now that's a test.
Alright,
I want to meet the one when I pass.
alright. Would you rather be able to talk with animals or speak foreign language?
Speak foreign
No,
languages.
you can.
Like how many
I
languages?
can learn foreign languages. Would I
Oh
rather
my
me can
God.
talk to animals? Imagine if we could have talked to Luna.
Imagine if we could have talked to the dog or the cow them and say,
You can learn foreign languages. That's not impossible. You just have to take your time to do
Hard.
it. But you can't take time to speak to her.
I
Alright,
speak to Luna and she listens. I speak to Luna and she
Yeah.
listens.
Luna,
She
sit.
speaks to
She's a
me.
baby.
Would you rather win the lottery or live twice as long? Feel like
Can't
that's
live
not
twice
going
as
on.
long as suffer.
Mm-mm.
People can't live twice as long as suffer. Give me the lottery now.
You need money?
Give me the lottery. What do
Oh
you
my
say?
gosh. I feel like this is similar to your first question, asking about more time versus
Money.
versus more money. Yeah.
But a different.
But I'm not going to choose the same answer because I want the lottery.
Oh, yeah.
Would you feel worse if no one showed up to your wedding or to your funeral?
I guess funeral, because even if I'm married, I don't know if I want to be large wedding.
But what if you did? What if you did invite
Yes.
like 50 people?
If you know the type of person me be, the type of person, but I feel bad if nobody not come out.
I don't feel bad if nobody go to funerals. I mean, not say pass on God, but
Like-
But then just come out
like
there,
me
I can't
and
sit and
Mary.
walk out.
No, Mary, people can always send me one expensive gift after.
That's rough.
that says something about your character.
Right, yeah.
It does.
Like imagine you're on land and do all of this things, but you do all of them singing and then bam, and then nobody not come out now.
Not that me I do it for anybody still, but them.
But the support, we support still.
Would you rather lose your vision or your hearing? Vision?
Yeah, we say. If me I go feel, it's scarier for
Me that's
me
me,
to
me
be
that's me
silent.
What is I'm hearing too?
It's scarier for me being silent.
Scarier for me
than
being
to be in the
dark.
dark.
It's scary for me to be in the dark and in the silence.
Like,
Some people rather can't sleep. And not
What if you can't see? 'Cause if me I lock and imagine you can't see nothing.
But that's the thing.
That's scary.
experience closed eyes so many times and we can handle it. But we not ever experience cannot hearing. Come on. Imagine complete silence. Imagine complete darkness. See that? That's not so bad. I can hear myself. I can hear the direction of everything and everyone. You can hear people approaching.
To around you. Somebody can always get to around you.
Alright, but then if you're deaf and you're blind, if you're deaf and you can't see, all they need
I
to
lock
do is
myself
stand
in
up
our
back of your
box.
bum. Right the back of you.
That question is deep, you know?
Yeah, I'd rather to lose the vision.
That deep.
Do you rather music from the 70s or music from when were the 70s?
Exactly.
I rather it from the 70s.
I do prefer
You know what artist
the
from the
older
70s, huh?
music. When I was the 70s, but probably like
That's why I can.
Alicia Keys, you know them, you know Alicia Keys. Me not know the 70s. Yeah,
but
me
old
not know the
music,
70s, but we prefer the older music, like.
Yeah, but if,
Yeah.
if you prefer early music, but that's the 70s. Because me I go for the old side.
But
You
you
know,
know,
come
you
to
know
the-
nothing of the 70s.
I mean,
You don't know no artist.
Come and tell us some of my
from the
artists, them.
70s.
oh, Gerard, New York, New York,
70s.
New York. You want white man who sing some old, some nice foreign, old song from the 70s.
Cherry Oh Baby was
Oh, Cherry!
1971.
Really? My mother sing that song for me.
Bob Marley,
Oh, when I
Natural
was a
Mystic.
baby.
71, yeah.
Oh yeah, I know
Marley,
Bob Marley
Natural
from the
Mystic.
70s.
Most of
Marcia
them.
Griffiths, Feel Like Jumping.
Feel like jumping.
Yeah, right. But
Oh,
people tell him say that
Caroline.
on tempo no.
I know much more of their song here.
But you get
yeah,
the gist.
music
Me
from the
prefer
time,
music from the 70s.
The music today, this era of music, me and Shan just talk about this recently.
Yeah.
This is a terrible
It's
era
so
and it's like a phase out.
It's so
It's like a
phase
phase out.
In no longevity to them.
Yeah, because they're not
Like
sing about
if you
much
notice,
of substance.
if you notice, even now in our music, most of the artists them overseas, them are do remix on Jamaican music, but
Yeah.
them are do remix on the older Jamaican music them from the 90s, 80s coming up.
But it's not
late-
even just about Jamaican music, you know, like American music as well. The fields way in right now.
Yeah, like
Everybody too focused on the material right now.
Yeah.
You know, like when people don't talk about feeling good and
I
love.
remember when I did.
Yeah,
You all remember like when I did Nelly and Kelly them time of music.
Remember Nelly and R.
Me I
Kelly?
listen to them the R&B then and me looking at it, me feeling love. Me feeling love
Exactly.
when
When you watch
listen
the
to
music
them.
video,
Everybody
them.
wants to be
Me I say yo, I say, yo, I don't want me and my girlfriend for just nice and out there.
And that's why them
no.
Sunday to this day.
No, I don't know what I listen to.
I run a place.
I don't know what I'm listening to now. Like, them artists nowadays, yo, it just don't make no sense.
They're not relatable.
Even some of the ones them in Jamaica too. Them new artists, I can't make them.
Same so.
Can't make them. Jano, I can't do it.
Yeah.
You see me? You have few artists like say Popcorn and them man they really have a good stage performance, and Cartel, Family, them man they have a good stage performance. The other rest of them nonsense. TJ, big up yourself, TJ on a general. Them man they not normal.
But
you see me? TJ not normal. And since TJ got a ton, big improvement on his career. And they say getting ratings from me. No joke. And even there, I'm used to sing about the bag of violence. It's more like violence. The man them feel to sing about some happy music. People want happiness in their life. No violence. You see me? Be a violence one thing about. But yeah.
Okay, the next one. Here, this one. Would you rather be stuck on a broken ski lift or a broken elevator?
What is the ski lift? The one in our ear?
Yeah. The one in our ear, like when you go skiing off a hill and you take the lift goes right to the top of the hill.
Well, I don't know for the ski lift. I possibly can drop
yes,
from.
but I ski lift and the elevator.
Elevator, I don't like that.
Ski lift
the claustrophobic, you go lock up with me.
Yeah, claustrophobia. That's the issue.
I prefer the elevator because I don't have a fear of heights. I have a fear of falling and just being up there, so I make feel like I can't do anything about it. But if I'm in an elevator, we can come out. Like, we can stay here a little bit and wait for the fire.
Now we can watch one movie with the people are stuck in an elevator.
Or,
yeah.
if me and somebody stuck in there, they can climb on top of my neck and then somebody can climb out and climb out.
But are you one in there?
So
you one in there?
That is so
you never
dangerous.
said, would you rather you and somebody stuck in an elevator? You one in there. So
me rather me one be stuck in one elevator than me one be stuck on a ski lift.
Yeah, all you have to do is just watch while going over the mountain.
Me I see if we can jump down. Me
and then what if you break?
The thing is, people can come and then get the ocean
normally
open.
the ski lift them not tall,
people can come down with a blow up something.
Ski lift are not something really tall, you know.
The elevator you have to wait until the electricity fixed in that tiny box.
They go wait.
You can't manage it.
They go wait.
Speaking of me, I get myself a bit
Come here, say please get hotter.
Oh shit.
Give me here.
Oh,
Look at it.
Oh.
So come again, what's next? Can't wait to start some new levels of movies.
And that's coming up, guys.
Yeah, some
next level stuff coming up.
I want to break the Jamaican barrier or something.
Would you rather to go to a movie or to dinner alone?
Go alone?
Neither of them don't matter to me. Neither of them don't matter to me.
Any one of them?
Yeah.
I think I prefer the movie. Because at least I won't be disturbed.
Because everybody has the
watch
same
the
thing.
movie. But dinner, I don't want to just sit down and like eat food by myself. Like, yes, food is nice and all.
Like think about the most wonderful.
You know, we are going normal. So, Shan is here. No, Shan there. And you know, we there with, yeah, Shan really there. And you know, Tori over here, so. You know, Tori is over here. And you know, we are going normal.
Always normal.
So, you know, I don't know normal in time with the boat. You understand? So,
Is it normal or is it not normal?
I don't know, not normal.
Yeah, I don't know, not normal, so it's always.
Okay, I don't understand now. Because me never understand before.
But you know, we there going normal.
You know, we are going
So it's
normal.
always
Right.
normal.
So, it's just a normal day. It's just a normal, it's just a normality.
Just the normality.
Right. So, when you debut, It's nothing normal.
It's nothing normal.
Right, so
Yeah.
they are going
Not
normal and not
normal.
going easy. You are going all the vibes, drink some rum like rain about to come down again.
Yep.
So what is it?
Oh yeah, it's coming. Me feel
Oh, it's coming for
So we
real.
should pack up and
Rain, a
So-
blessings, man, you know.
Yeah, you are
High
going all the
blessed
vibes and
favours.
something. You go back down in the studio.
yeah, and do some more shooting in the room, man. If we're not
Yeah,
gonna
we'll
fall
catch some
asleep
more
now.
shots in the studio. And all the vibes.
Burbank,
Cool bush.
Burbank.
Yeah.
Female. It's a push for the female.
All the females who don't
Take it for
know.
cool. Let me a little bit, 3 of them. With me
I
up.
didn't
we
say
say
brown
that. I didn't
kites.
say
We just say
no.
no, exactly.
But it cleans the reproductive area.
So now here that's just a vervine. Vervine is a reproductive cleaner for
Well,
the ladies.
if you're feeling a lot of pains, you just drink a cup or two. You know,
Yeah,
it works better than Cetamol, Panadol, Advil, all them types of
Menstrual, what I wonder.
ibuprofen.
Some menstrual, some.
It works better than all of them.
Mm.
Let's give them a shot at first.
Yeah.
Alright,
Menstrual
come here to
is
take it for cool.
Yeah.
Bronchitis. Come. So, come on.
We're there. We're here. We're here, right? Hello. I was right here just now.
Right. So, we there. Who remember them something here? A long time we not see them something. Now we see them up on Christmas. So I light it away there. So, now we see them up on Christmas. So we find some of them and we are bust them in the evening.
Go what am I? Oh yeah.
So why not like yours than your Tori? What story? Try like what story? What?
Hey.
Yo!
Oh yeah, there right. So I want to come bust it.
Oh my god, look at it. Oh! Alright,
Shit.
I got the last one.
Yeah! That was so much
yeah.
fun.
Yeah. So I'm gonna bust it sit there.
Yeah,
Take
it's
that one
been
next
a
spot on
while.
the yard now, but you know I make up no noise and come.
And the rain is coming now.
The rain is coming, so we
Yeah.
go back
There
down.
we go.
So we continue this down on this.
In a jiffy.
Alright?
Oh, she not balance it. Balance it for your head now. Let it go.
I that made it a plan.
Alright, this is Shan's new wig, everybody. Call her Pillowhead.
Pillow
This
top.
other yummy, this is a Pillowhead.
Yeah. Everything nice and smooth and comfortable.
Nice and smooth and comfortable. Same so. Boing,
As that
boing.
mackerel say.
Yeah.
Here is so comfortable.
I mean,
See how you hold on.
just because.
Look like you're married. Can I hear a man?
So now we there I go on normal today. Or I'm trying to beat the rain, yeah? Go down
Can we protect yourself from the dew?
so we can shoot. Get this done. So now we there I go on normal idea. I go on easy. So yeah, remember to subscribe, like and share. Follow the lives in.
Subscribe, like, and share. I know
Yeah.
nothing hard, you know.
I
I
don't know.
just think of a button, you
Something
know.
normal.
Look how we are doing hard things.
Yeah,
Yeah.
just a normal day.
It's a normal thing to click like and subscribe.
Oh,
Don't tell them, man, it's just a normal thing.
yeah, just a normal thing. Normal day in the life. So she stand there.
Yeah. Shan with the nana kata. Yeah, big good so.
She have a big cutter.
Tori over there, so.
Yeah,
So, I say Alton them. They are going normal.
Chakra, crown chakra.
Mm-hmm.
Everything I say, not the